In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page with Kitform. We'll walk through this from a completely blank state to a published page you can share. You don't need any design or coding experience, just follow along and pause the video whenever you need to. First, let's initialize the page. From your main dashboard, head over to the Grow section, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your forms and landing pages will live, so it's a good idea to get familiar with this area. Once you're there, look for the option to create something new. Click the Create New button and then select Landing Page. That tells the system you want a full page, not just an embedded form. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. You might see options like Abby, Siesta, or others, depending on what's available in your account. Don't stress too much over this choice. You can customize everything later. For now, pick the layout that feels closest to what you want and click Choose. The editor will open with your selected template ready to customize. Now let's customize the design so it matches your brand and your offer. Start by editing the text. Click directly on any headline or body text on the page, and you'll be able to type right over it. Update your main headline to clearly explain the benefit of signing up. Then adjust the supporting description so visitors understand what they're getting. Next, customize your form fields. Under the email field, look for a plus icon. Click that to add additional fields, such as first name or other custom fields you might need. Only add fields you truly need. Shorter forms usually convert better, so try to keep it simple and focused on what's essential. Once your design looks good, it's time to configure what happens after someone signs up. Go to the top menu bar and click on Settings. In the General section, you can choose whether people see a simple success message on the page or whether they're redirected to an external page, like a thank you or download page you already have. Pick the option that best fits your funnel. Then move to the Incentive section. If you're offering a lead magnet such as a PDF, a checklist, or a video, check the option to send an incentive email. This allows Kit to automatically send that resource once the subscriber confirms their email, keeping everything hands-off for you. When you're done configuring these options, make sure you click Save so none of your changes are lost. Finally, let's publish your landing page. In the top right corner of the editor, click Publish. After publishing, you'll see a unique Kit URL for your landing page. Copy that URL and you're ready to share it in your emails, social posts, ads, or anywhere else you drive traffic. And that's all it takes to build and launch a landing page with Kitform.